How to change notification sounds for each app on your Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change each app notification sounds on your Android phone. First, then open settings, and now just scroll until you find apps, and here you will find apps. Again, click on it, and now just select any app you want like Instagram, and then click notifications, and here just select any notification type here like comment, likes, and then click this one, notification sound. Now you can select any notification sound you want here, and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it, it's easy. That's how to change notification sounds for each app on your Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.